Right, today guys we're going to be going undercover in VRFS. So we'll be pretending like we're like new to the game and like change our name to like player and like see how people react when I put my original name and then shit absolutely on them. So let's like change our name now. So we've changed it to like player 298743. Change your name to that. Then change everything to like default. Let's put that default. Hat, we don't have them. Masks, just put none. Glasses, classic. Shin pads, none. Then gloves. Just go with strike on. Okay. I have no voice on. Okay, bro, I'm going to have to leave this map, but because I'm doing an undercover vid.
Nice.
But just stay in this map so more people join. I'll join later.
Why? What if I leave right now?
Doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna go into the lobby.
Hello.
Alright, guys, you need to keep it cool. We're just gonna we're just gonna pretend like we don't know how to play this game at all.
Hey, join me here. Join me.
What's
Hello?
this? Yo, guys, how do you play this game?
Play the game by playing football.
So this is so how do you play? And this is my first match.
Yeah.
This is your first match?
Yeah.
My guy.
Oh,
You already
sorry.
have a fucking profile. You already have a freaking profile.
Yeah, I know. I just took a photo.
Yeah, you have the profile and.
And guess what? In that photo,
cosmetics there.
yeah, you have cosmetics on. I'll send on new shit.
Yeah.
Okay.
I always know when I check their profile.
Okay, right. This completely failed, bro. Right. That was an absolute fail. I got recognized immediately from my customs. So we need to actually not say we're new to the game. So we just need to keep it cool. Okay. Okay, right. Let's pretend like we're new. Oh, I missed. Oh, he's probably new too. Okay, right. We have a bunch of players in here. Okay, right. Since there's players in here, I'm just going to shit on them. I know I'm going to shit on these players because like if somebody else joins, well, I'm just gonna pretend like I'm a noob and I can't do shit. Right, he scored, but yeah, that doesn't really matter. What are you shushing me for, bro? Shush, bro. I'm absolutely dookie at this game. I don't know how to play.
Damn, I also just started, guys.
I'm sorry, I'm not really good at this game. I don't know how to play.
We play for fun, like on some of. I know a couple guys.
I don't play this game very much because I only started today.
Or do.
Oh, good goal, guys.
Here, yo, kid. You want me to go on your team? Cause like, he's kind of good. Actually, no, Scott, go on his team.
No, it's fine. You don't have to
fine.
go.
Scott's not that good. I'm kind of good. I just don't like.
Okay.
I don't like to try in public. You're kind of good for only starting today.
Yeah, I'm not really good.
I know, but compared to when I first started,
I'm just gonna actually shouldn't mind me. Do you want me to reveal something?
well,
I'm actually didn't start this game. I'm actually like I started this game like 2 years ago.
okay.
I'm just gonna put up all my cosmetics on.
Good for you then, I guess. No, he's putting on accessories.
Right now, it's absolutely shit in these kids.
But join back my team. Getting cocky. You pass back, pass back. God, Scott!
When did you start this game, bro? Mine? No, you don't. V2. Don't take it. Don't take it, bro. Pass V2. Oh, oh, bro. You got skill.
Easy now.
Yeah, I'm not even new. I'm not even
You
new.
know, I thought Wee Man was chill. No, he's one of them bum spots.
You both are flipping, swiping, and two-manning me.
Swipe? Why are we swiping? We're just tackling.
Your teammate actually just got shit on.
Yeah, no shit. He just started the day.
Guys, I'm joking. I actually didn't start today. I just got all these cosmetics.
Wait, no! I'm talking about my teammate.
That's actually so lucky, bro. That's
No,
actually...
Osama bin Laden to you, punk.
Bro, my teammate's absolutely shit. Bro, he's trying to take the ball off me. My own teammate's trying to take the ball off me. I'm gonna take the ball off him then. From Paris down to Turkey. We won the fucking lot. I'm gonna have to shit on you actually next game because this wasn't a fair start. I actually acted like I was shitting.
We get it. You pretended to be bad.
Bro, how do you have so much sprint? Jeez, actual pace of these.
Holy yap story. I don't want to hear an excuse. Just play football.
Oh, I missed.
I just gotta get it. Go, 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 go.
These are not gonna score, bro. Trust me, guys, I'm not toxic. I'm recording an undercover vid.
No, no, please don't record us. Please don't record us.
Pass. I actually don't give a shit.
Please don't record me. Don't record me. No. What's he gonna say? I was complaining to these randoms, and then they said they don't care. Maybe it's like rich or something.
I'm passing to my own teammate. I can't touch a ball. I'm muting my voice chat. My teammate's actually so badass. What the fuck is my teammate doing? What the fuck is he doing? What the fuck is he doing? The fucking... Look at him. He's got to shoot in his own neck because he's an absolute sore loser. Go on, there you. You're swiping, man. The flip is this swipe? The flip, he's doing this? You're doing this, lad? You're doing this? Oh my god, he's fucking swiping. He's fucking swiping. He's fucking swiping. Bro, you're swiping so hard. You're swiping, man.
Not even though.
Yes, you're doing this. You absolute dickhead.
La, 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 la.
I'm gonna report you for cheating. Swiping's cheating.
Report me for cheating?
Bro, I'm a CC, bro. That's it? The fuck?
I'm reporting you.
The flip? Nah, bro, I'm reporting this kid.
Boo-hoo. Cry me a river.
I'll fucking cry you a fucking punch in the nose. You're wasting time, man. Bro, you're also pace abusing on top of that. Buddy, you're downy. Shut up. Pass, teammate. If you'd actually pass a ball, we would maybe be scoring a goal. But this kid's obviously pace abusing.
This kid's so mad over pixels.
I actually just want to play a normal game and you're fucking cheating. Like, you have no dignity.
Spell dignity.
Fucking dig it. I'm gonna fucking dig my fucking thing into your mum.
Holy stickers.
Stop swiping, man! Fuck you.
He's leaving.
No, I'm not. I'm actually changing my name.
Okay.
Okay.
We did draft. Yes, I feel very badly. This man knows how to tackle. Look at him. He knows how to tackle.
Go! You swipe! V2 swipe! Go swipe at them!
I'm reporting you!
Yeah, go on, report me when you're the one who's
I'm reporting you! That's actually like cheating! That's like cheating!
Oh, the buzzer.
I
You
want V2!
You're actually gonna get shit on.
Bro, I'm not even swiping. What do you mean?
Yes, you are.
I'm not even.
Yes, you are, you dumb bitch.
I'm being ready. Or if I shake my controller, I move.
Wow. Okay, good. Whee!
Spinner!
Holy
Hit him with the spinner!
mess!
What they gonna do? What they gonna do when
Holy
they get the spinner?
mess! Holy
What they
mess!
gonna do? What? Hit him with a spinner?
Oh, fuck, you're going the wrong way, dumbass.
I'm getting dizzy.
Your name's Osama bin Laden, bro.
Oh.
Your mom died in 9/11, bro.
N.I.M.Salah. What they gonna do when they hit the?
I'm gonna hit your mom.
Ah! Go hit them with the spinner. Hit them with the spinner.
Bro, the swiping.
Not even.
He are.
Free kicker.
Free kicker? What the fuck is that NFL move?
He's been swiping me all game, bro.
Yeah, because you did. You swiped the whole game last
Hit him with a
game.
spinner. Hit him with a spinner. Hit him with a spinner.
Whee!
Go.
Goldilocks.
Piss off the ball.
Oh, fuck.
Stop swiping.
Stop swiping, lad. It's so annoying. Fuck. Swipe.
Hello?
Everybody swipe.
Fuck, I threw my controller.
Yay!
I accidentally threw my controller. Spinner move.
Swipe, swipe. Ooh, 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 ooh.
I see.
What the fuck? Let me score. Let me score real quick. Ooh, what the fuck? Hit them with the spinner. Hit them with the spinner.
Go on, go. Bang.
Hit them with the spinner.
And I'm a spinner.
Goal!
I got 99 defending. Watch yourself.
What the fuck? Bang!
I'm a spinner. Oh. Ooh.
Yeah.
Stop. The ball's not
Yay!
even moving. The ball's not even moving.
Oh, he's laughing now.
The ball's not moving.
Who
He
the-
just absolutely missed.
Who the fuck is
Watch
laughing?
this. Last minute.
Osama bin Laden on the ball.
I
Oh!
didn't even get the ball.
The fuck? Big header from Virgil van Dijk.
No.
Whee!
Oh.
Oh, it's hard to see you, but I wish you well
Osama
right
be
here.
balling.
I'll catch you when you fall. What a goal from swiping. Yeah, I'm just got time waste. Oh my god, you just got sent to the shops. Free now! Haha. Get absolutely shit on.
You've just been carried though.
Yeah, I've been carried, but my teammate was kind of swiping.
No, he wasn't. He can clean tackles.
He did clean
Also, I
tackles.
swore you're the one that gave away a free kick. Spinner!
What the fuck is this? Swipe? A wee bit of a swipe here?
We're not swiping. You're just mad.
Okay, right,
Iron
okay.
defense. Iron defense.
The fucking. Yay! I scored! Yay! What the fuck? Yay! I'm Christopher. Miss you, come here.
That's it. I'm upgrading.
What a goal! What a goal from me! I want that instant replay.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
Oh my god! What a miss! Bang! The fuck?
Mikey!
Hit him with the King Chong Ding Dong.
Scott just hit the ball.
Scott, he's with the ball. He's with the ball. He goes Kung Fu mode. Bang! Oh my god.
Scott! Hey dude, hey teammate, pass the ball.
Teammate! What a touchdown! Touchdown! Yeah, what a touchdown.
What a save!
I'm gonna score a touchdown again.
Watch this, I'm gonna just dig. Ooh, yeah.
I'm gonna touchdown again. My game just glitched. My game just glitched.
That's what they all say.
My game just glitched. It's glitching. My teammate's literally being carried. My teammate is literally being carried. My teammate is going. He's going to miss. He misses. He skied it off the ball.
Woo!
Let's swipe. Let's swipe, guys.
Pass back. Why'd you leave it?
Touchdown.
Teammate, you go striker. I'll go goalkeeper. No! What a save!
Bro, your mom was killed in 9/11. Shut up.
I don't think my mom was born for 9/11. Douche.
That means she was born after 2001.
Well, yeah, that's when 9/11 happened.
So she's a hoe.
Big boy kicks.
So she's like 20, 25 at least. Your mom's like old as hell. I prefer if she was 19. I could crack her.
Shut the fuck up. You sound for me? When was the last time you hit puberty? Why'd you hit puberty?
Puberty? What the fuck? You haven't went through puberty either. So I don't know what you can be saying.
Son, I'm legitimately 15, bro, okay?
You're not. You fucking sound like you're about 12.
You were talking! You were talking! I got a Mickey Mouse voice. Hi, get out, kids.
Hiya, little kids. I'm your local pedophile.
What?
My game glitched.
Ooh.
Hawked.
Last minute free kick!
The fuck was that?
Fuck!
What the fuck was that free kick?
Wait, V2, leave! Leave the ball, V2! RTG2, leave the ball!
I'll help you guys. I'll help you guys.
Oh, yeah.
Where's the corner? I'll help you guys. In the box!
Watch this.
In the box!
Bitey!
Where's the Bicey going to?
Watch this!
Yo, give it to me. Give it to me, guys. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give the ball to me. Give me the ball. Or else I will kill your mom again.
I don't think I can tell someone twice.
I can. Wait.
V2 pass!
Last minute free kick.
What a save!
What a fucking clearance. What a fucking clearance went straight out.
Oh yeah. I blocked the shot!
Let's see this replay.
Scott Dane Mathewson, this is the last time
What a
I will do your
goal!
shenanigans.
Yeah, my teammate got carried this game.
Watch this. Bang.
Yeah.
Oh, I.
Okay, guys, I
Last
hope you.
minute. Wait.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.